USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against Canadians. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video, you will find some links. It says join a free Telegram channel. So go and join Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then. And then check out the brokers and sign up with them here. I want you to have a separate broker account to trade with my signals and with my signals only in that account. So sign up. I'll tell you everything in Telegram as well. So make sure you're connected there. So subscribe, like, do all of that. Coming back to the chart here, starting the problem approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are bear. We are supposed to go down. So this week we went down. This week was red, and we are still in the downtrend. Okay. And we have to take down this low. I don't think we have to again. This low yet has to be taken. So we went down, then pull back, then coming down again. This low still has to be taken. So we are going down. Okay, coming back to daily chart. Daily, we have the rejection, baby. So yeah, we have to keep an eye. Okay, so this is daily. We have long week rejection, which means that we should carry on going down, but our entry should come from 4 hour. That's your entry. Cool. That's your freaking entry. If you have any experience of manual trading, you know this is your entry. This huge long wick, this is bearish hammer. Okay. The sellers have taken control of this USD CAD in the last 4 hour on Friday. Huge wick, and then we have closed below the EMA. No point in taking long in this. When the market opens, wait for next 4 hours. Then there should be a red candle which will eat this blue candle. So as soon as you have the confirmation red candle, enter short and then take a profit somewhere here. Easy trade, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, huge rejection. It's a free money on the table. Just take it. Wait for the red candle, then go down. Short entry. That's it. So if you like what you see, it's all free money, man. I just gave you, I don't know how much money I gave you, okay? Subscribe, like, join Telegram, and join the brokers. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, keep watching.